Hey guys, I'm here. I'm making a new video. We're gonna make a 4th of July, even though it's firework, even though it's on July 4th. Anyways, also actually I'm not dead. But anyways, let's get to the fireworks. These are gonna be fun. Boo, boo, boo.
I'm not recording you.
The lights in my house.
Hurry up and get the fireworks. I can't wait.
Go. Put it in the middle of the parking lot. Don't put it that close to the street.
Yay, boom, boom, fireworks. Yeah.
Now towards the car some. I don't want it near the bushes either. Actually, that's fine.
We put it over here. Wait, where is he putting it?
Right there.
There?
Back up.
Wait. I'm gonna look from here.
Shut up, dog.
I'm gonna get a better view.
Oh, I think I need one.
Here's a better view.
Not as much rain as we've been having.
It's gonna go some more, don't worry. It's like a minute firework.
It's a bright light.
Carson, shush.
Because it's super, I don't know. It's erupted like a volcano. The light's in the way of my camera. We're not done yet.
I think that's it.
Yay!
Yay! And that was the firework. Hope you like that go boom boom explosion. Hope you like
Alright, come on guys, you know how it's bedtime.
this major video. That was freaking awesome.
$9 to buy another one.
It's
We get $9 to buy another one.